Hey guys, what's up? So it's Tuesday, March 22nd. I just got done filming my video for yesterday, which is kind of weird because normally I don't do that. So I just finished editing that and I'm going to be uploading that to YouTube here. But I wanted to film today, kind of just go over some things. My calorie count today was not great because, again, went with the fast food. Had Panera for lunch today, which was not horrible, but it is pretty high calorie. Dinner wise, I ended up having food from home. But again, kind of high calorie because I had some leftover like frozen chicken and I made that. Today I did end up working on the gym room and got that cleaned up a little bit. I still have a little bit more work to do on there. And also I don't have the weights in there yet because the weights came later from the rest of the equipment because it was on back order. And I never actually brought them in the house because I don't have a weight rack for them. So I ordered a weight rack, which should be coming in tomorrow. And once I build that, then I'll be able to actually like put the plates on a weight rack because I didn't want to put them on the ground in there because it's basically foam ground and foam tiles, and I didn't want the foam to get permanent depressions in there from the weight. Also tomorrow for work, I am going to be going to drop off some of my equipment. So as you can see here, let me show you the shelving over here that I use for work. It's starting to get a little bit more empty. I have two boxes of equipment ready to go over that are basic cords and accessory stuff like that. I have another bin of some small desktops, and then tomorrow I'm also gonna be loading some laptops and a few desktops as well in there. And then Thursday, I'll be going through and making my second trip, which will hopefully be my last trip of equipment, and dropping that off as well. So very excited about that because it is going to be fantastic to have all of this out of here. I will be driving, like I said, to drop off some equipment, and that will be a challenge because whenever I drive places, I tend to grab fast food in the past, especially when I worked in the office. I mean, I've been working from home now for about 2.5 years, 2 years, something like that, basically since the start of COVID. I got some laundry that just ended up finishing, so I got to go put that in the dryer. So I'm going to end the vlog here, but I do appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully tomorrow I will get that weight set up in the gym room and maybe use the gym a little bit tomorrow night. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. Before I know it, it'll be time to start packing for the cruise. Probably Friday, I'll be packing for the cruise, so that'll be fun. I can't wait for this cruise. I am a little nervous because of some changes to like masking policies and stuff like that on the cruise ships recently. The news gets to me, my anxiety gets going, and I, I don't know. We'll talk about that another day. But for now, guys, enjoy your evening, your day, whenever you're watching this, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good one.